Hey guys, beautiful day here on First Fruits Farm, and it is the Monday before we have our Christmas at the Barn event. Just had a lot of rain over the weekend, and I come out here to our parking area, and here's what I see. All right, water all out here, standing water. It's a pond, and guess what? I can't have that. So here's what happened. Had a lot of rain, and when I put in this drain pipe over here this past year, it's a little bit high, all right? This pond never reached its full capacity all year long, not until right now. So this drain pipe is a little bit high. I'm gonna have to put on my waders, go over in there and take off the end cap of that drain pipe so the water will flow down properly, because here's where all the water is coming down through. The water is coming down across our spillway, all right? And I don't want it to go across the spillway. So here's what I'm gonna do. I've learned from the Beavers here on First Fruits Farm, and I know how to dam something up, okay? So here's what I did. I got this old, stone right here, some old concrete, and I poured it right here because there's water flowing through the spillway right now, all back down here. And so I'm about to empty this bucket over those stones that I just placed down, so it will stop water going down into my parking area. Because, hey, guess what? We're expecting a lot of people this weekend. It's Christmas time. The spirit of Christmas. Last year, we had almost 1,000 people show up to the farm. And so guess what? We want to be prepared. We want to have an awesome, dry parking area. So check this out as I pour this bucket of dirt across here. Then bring some more dirt across it and pack it down some more. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got here. All right, so I have to bring one more scoop of dirt right here to divert this water from going down the hill, all right, and then pack it down, and then I'm gonna take that end cap off. All right, so as you can see right here, this was the spillway where we started putting dirt at this morning. Built this up with several layers, several more scoops right here, and packed it down. Of course, one of the most important things, learning from the Beavers, is that I put rocks, solid rocks down here first, and then I didn't get, just light fluffy, so I got some good clay, and you can see, I'm standing on this, all right? You can barely see my boot imprint right here. So this is packed down very good and very tight. And so you see the water started back up just a little bit, but guess what? That's fine. Now all of the water is diverted over through the drain pipe at the dam of the pond, flowing downhill, and it is keeping this area. It's going to start to dry out. My nice parking area. I'll bring in a few more large rocks right here. This is going to be a natural area that's going to stay green. You see it's a little bit of a dip. Another important thing is, in the event of a large storm or a large rain, it is good to still utilize my spillway area for the pond. And so what I'll do is I can come in here and remove this little section at any time necessary to make sure that if there's an emergency spillover that needs to take place, it can do so right here. See it going through?
Yes, sir. What is that? Oh, is that air?
Sucking water. It's a 6-inch pipe. That's a lot of water flowing through there. All right. So one thing I like about not putting glue on the end of this pipe is that if I want to lower this water, say a good 6 inches, like I'm doing right now, I can turn it sideways. If I want to stop the flow of the water, I just turn that standpipe upwards, and guess what? It's going to stop draining. But right now, this pond, yeah, it's about to its maximum capacity. Well, yeah, not about, it is at its maximum capacity. And so, yeah, I want it to drop about 3 inches, and then that's it. This pond is going to be nice, it's going to be full, and we're ready to go, and it's not going to flood my parking lot down here. Praise the Lord.